Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Evaluating LLMs. How do we know if our AI is actually smart and trustworthy? Imagine you've just built a fancy new calculator. How do you know if it actually gives the right answers? Or if it just looks good? The same goes for large language models, LLMs. You, as a developer, might be building an app that uses ChatGPT or another LLM. But how do you make sure the AI isn't hallucinating, making stuff up, being biased, or just generally unhelpful? This is where evaluating LLMs comes in. It's like giving your AI a report card to see if it's truly smart and trustworthy, not just shiny. For a developer, this is crucial for building reliable AI-powered products that users will actually trust. Before we test, we need to know what we're looking for. What makes an LLM good from a developer's point of view? We're looking for several key grades. Accuracy, truthfulness. Asterisk, does it give correct facts? E.g., what's the capital of France? To Paris, not London. Relevance. Asterisk, does its answer actually address the question? E.g., ask about cooking, don't get a poem. Coherence, fluency. Asterisk, does it write naturally and grammatically? E.g., the cat sat on the mat, not Matt the sat on cat the. Safety, harmlessness. Asterisk, does it avoid generating biased, offensive, or dangerous content? This is huge for developers to prevent their apps from spreading misinformation or harm. Helpfulness. Asterisk, does it solve the user's problem effectively? These are the key criteria we use when evaluating if an LLM is truly smart and trustworthy. The most straightforward way to see if an LLM is good is to ask real people. This is called manual evaluation. How it works. Asterisk, you give the LLM a bunch of questions. We call these prompts. And then have human reviewers read the LLM's answers. Rubrics. Asterisk, just like a teacher uses a grading rubric, we give reviewers guidelines. On a scale of 1 to 5, how accurate is this answer? Or, is this answer harmful? Yes, no. Developer's perspective. Asterisk, as a developer, you'd create a diverse set of prompts that your users might actually ask. You might even build a simple internal tool or script to send prompts to your LLM API and collect the responses, then distribute them to reviewers. This helps you identify common failure points and nuanced errors early, even though it can be slow. While humans are great, they can be slow and expensive. For some tasks, computers can help with the grading. This involves automated metrics. Asterisk, the idea. Asterisk, if we have a perfect answer, called a reference answer, a computer can compare the LLM's answer to it. Asterisk, simple example. Asterisk, imagine you want the LLM to translate hello to bonjour. If it says bonjour, great. If it says hola, bad. Computers can count matching words or phrases, or analyze how similar the generated text is to the reference. Developer's perspective. Asterisk, you might set up a test dataset with input questions and their ideal answers. Then, you'd run your LLM through this dataset, generate answers, and use simple evaluation scripts or libraries to calculate scores. Metrics like rouge or blue. Don't worry about the acronyms for now. Give you a quick, objective score to track improvement over time or compare different LLMs it's faster for. Large-scale testing but might miss subtle errors that only humans catch. An LLM can be factually correct but still cause problems for developers. Ensuring safety and mitigating bias is a critical responsibility. This goes beyond just getting the facts right. Safety. Asterisk, does it generate hate speech, instructions for harmful activities, or reveal private information? Bias. Asterisk, does it show unfair preferences or stereotypes based on gender, race, or other factors? E.g., always assuming doctors are male and nurses are female. Transparency, explainability. Asterisk, can you understand why the LLM gave a certain answer? To some extent, this helps in debugging. Developer's perspective. Asterisk, you need to actively test for these issues. This might involve specific, red teaming, prompts designed to provoke harmful output, or analyzing outputs for biased language. Your app's reputation and user safety depend on addressing these. You'd likely implement additional filtering or moderation layers around your LLM. How do you, as a developer, actually put these evaluation concepts into practice? Prompt engineering. Asterisk, learning to write good prompts is your first evaluation tool. Experimenting with different ways to ask questions helps you understand the LLM's strengths and weaknesses. Test datasets. Asterisk, curate your own sets of specific questions and their expected answers. This becomes your automated test suite for your LLM integration. API sandboxes and playgrounds. Asterisk, many LLM providers, like OpenAI or Google, offer interactive environments where you can experiment, test different parameters, like temperature, which controls creativity, and see results quickly before integrating into your app. Logging and monitoring. Asterisk, log every prompt and response from your application. This allows you to review real-world interactions and find where your AI might be failing in production. Open source libraries, tools. Asterisk, as you advance, you'll discover specific Python libraries or frameworks designed for LLM evaluation. But for now, understand these fundamental concepts. Evaluation isn't a one-time thing you do at the end. It's a continuous cycle, much like agile software development. 1. Develop. Asterisk, build or integrate your AI feature into your application. 2. Evaluate. Asterisk, test it thoroughly using both human reviewers and automated metrics. Identify problems like accuracy issues, biases, or hallucinations. 3. Improve. Use the feedback to refine your prompts. Adjust LLM parameters, or even choose a different LLM. Maybe you need to add more context to the prompt, or put a filter on the output. 4. Deploy and monitor. Asterisk, put your updated AI into your app, but keep watching how it performs with real users, e.g., through user feedback or more logging. Developer's perspective. Asterisk, think of it exactly like building any software. You write code, test it, fix bugs, and release updates. LLM development is the same. Good evaluation helps you confidently push updates to your AI features, knowing they're getting smarter and more reliable. We've learned that evaluating LLMs isn't just about checking if they give right answers, but ensuring they are helpful, safe, and trustworthy. For you, the developer, this means critical thinking. Asterisk, don't just trust the AI's output. Always verify and question it. Structured testing. Use both human insights and automated tools to catch a wide range of issues. Ethical responsibility. Asterisk, actively test for and mitigate bias and harmful content to protect your users and your application's integrity. By embracing evaluation, you're not just building AI, you're building reliable AI that users can depend on. This makes your applications stronger and your users happier. Keep experimenting, keep testing, and keep learning. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.